Hello friends, today I will show you how to cut the paper perfectly in round shape. This is a circle cutter which is a Bombay brands. This compass cutter have the tab on the cutter side. Here we can adjust the radius of the circle from 1 cm to 10 cm long. After adjusting radius, we can fit the screw tight. Two extra blades you will get and this door here you can open the cap like this. This is a very sharp blade, handle it very carefully. This is a black screw for tight the radius. Don't lose. Now I will show you how to open the blade. Look here how to adjust the blade. You can remove or adjust the blade here like this, and after that fit the screw like this. After using this compass, keep the cap on it. Now I will show you which types of paper you can cut easily. First, here I take one side of printed paper which is slightly thick. Keep needle here. You can move the paper like this or you can move the compass. Here I am moving the compass. Look, it's a perfect circle cut here. Now here I take very thin paper and I fold it. It's in 4 parts. We check 3 to 4 papers we can combinedly cut easily or not. Let's check. It's little bit difficult for cutting the 3 to 4 paper combinedly. Now we will try to cut the glitter paper using this compass machine. Glitter papers are normally thick. Here we can easily cut the glitter paper using this compass sheet. Now we checking this separate cutter machine for the cardboard. Cardboard is usually thick. To cut the cardboard is light bit difficult. not get easily cut and the edges are too much fine. It's showing the an edge because of thickness, not perfect circle cut. Here I take the handmade paper. Handmade paper is also thin, so we can easily cut this using the circle cutter machines. I like this sucker cutter, which is a great for scrapbooking, paper craft, card making, and the decoration purpose. If you want to make the different types of flower, the circle base is required. So use this machine. It's really very nice. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.